Today's pronunciation lesson is contrasting the sounds ch and sh. First, I will use each sound in a word. Then I will put the words into a sentence so that you can hear them together with contextual clues. Please listen closely to the differences in the sounds. First, the ch sound in the word cheap. Cheap, cheap. Now the sh sound in the word sheep. Sheep, sheep. Now I will use them both in a sentence. Those sheep are not cheap. Those sheep are not cheap. Those sheep are not cheap. Thank you for watching CartoonEnglish.tv's pronunciation lesson. Come visit our website for free lessons, games, and chat.